Hi guys, welcome to my channel EdutechIdea. In this video tutorial, I will guide you how to configure VLAN in Cisco Packet Tracer. So first open the Cisco Packet Tracer and select a switch from devices. I have selected one of the switch from here and go to the device in devices and select two PCs, PC 12 and PC 13. Okay, so now we need to connect these PCs to the switch. So first we need to select a cable. So we select the straight cable and connect this PC and also another cable and select to this one PC also. Now both PCs are connected. We need to configure the IP address of the machines. So first we need to IP configuration, go to and type here the IP address of the switch, IP address of the PC 192.168.100.1. Default, submit, close. And now configure the another machine IP address. Go to the desktop IP configuration, type here the IP address 192.168.100.2, default type, submit. Now both PCs are connected with this switch. Okay, now go to the switch and configure the VLAN. So first we need to check the VLAN. So go to the enable mode, hit enter and type here the show VLAN, which is a command. We can check the how many VLAN is configured in the switch. So you can see here only one VLAN is configured here and which is active, and all ports are belongs to the VLAN 1 FA01 to 24 FA024. Right? Okay, now we need to configure the two VLAN for these PCs. So first we need to go to the configure mode, configuration terminal, which is global mode, where we can configure these switches. Okay, so first we need to create a VLAN 10 for HR. So name of this VLAN is HR. Now select another VLAN 20, which is, and it's for IT. So name is this VLAN of VLAN IT. Okay, now we need to configure these VLANs and ports configuration. So go to the first we need to exit from here and we can see the so how many VLAN is configured now. So command is show VLAN and we can check here. You can see here the default VLAN is 1 and FA1 FA2 24 ports is also there, and HR and IT VLAN 10 is HR and VLAN 20 is IT, which is we have earlier configured. Okay, now we need to configure the ports to this VLANs. Okay, so first we need to go to the configuration mode, config terminal, and first go to the interface mode of the port interface FA0/1, which is one of the PC connected. Okay, hit enter. Now we are in the interface one and type here the command switch port mode access. Okay, now command switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, this port is belongs to VLAN 10, goes to the VLAN 10. Sorry, this is the typing mistake. So VLAN 10. So over this, just a minute. Switch port. Okay, switch port, spelling mistake here. Switch port VLAN 10. Okay, sorry, switch port access VLAN 10. Now this port is belongs to VLAN 10. Now exit and select another one, exit from here. Now interface FA0/2 and type here the command switch port